Hello and welcome to Fashion Lifestyle Magazine followers, readers, and viewers. We are back here again in Celebrity Chat with another celebrity, Satabdi Roy Debnath, right in the middle of me and Richa, to talk about herself, to talk about her career, to talk about her aspirations. A celebrity between the two of us. This is a method by which Fashion Lifestyle Magazine celebrates celebrities through its platform. Over to you, Richa, while Tanvir can thereafter give the introduction.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to Fashion Lifestyle Magazine Facebook page and of course YouTube. And we also posted on other social media platforms. This is a true means of getting in touch with everybody. We have another celebrity, like Sharad said, Satabdi, who has been doing good and is being a multi-dimensional personality and has been. We are honored to have her in the episode of Celebrity Chat Show. So I would request the Fashion Lifestyle Magazine team to please give a brief introduction about our guest today.
Satabdi Roy, hailing from Kolkata, a working professional in marketing and sales who has started working as a wedding and event planner. She's also working with IBSW as Regional Director of East India and also the Council Member of Wiki. She has received the title of Mrs. Goodness Ambassador 2021 and Mrs. Glam Queen Fitness 2021. She is also the recipient of William Shakespeare International Award in Poetry.
Fantastic. Wow, that sounds wonderful. William Shakespeare Award for Poetry. That sounds amazing.
Yes.
Richa, if you allow, I can start chatting with Satabdi, shall I?
Yes, yes, sure.
So, Satabdi, for the followers and viewers and the readers of our magazine who do not know you until now, although you're going to be reaching thousands of people now and in the next 2 to 3 days, where the show gets watched across the world. Tell us something about yourself, Shatabdi, beyond the introduction that you've just been given. Where do you come from and what do you do?
Yeah, sure. I'm actually from Assam side. Okay. My mom dad is from Assam, and from there, it's been like birthplace only. But it's just I started from Kolkata. It's my whole life till now. So this journey means started like I after completing college. Then I have done MBA in HR, and then I worked for 5 years in a UK based company, and in HR profile, then in sales marketing profile and all. And after I got married and having a baby, I left the job. And then sitting idly at home, वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि मुझे कुछ करना है. I can't sit idly just like at a home. But having a baby, it's a big responsibility to take care of her and all. So then I started planning something to do, which I can, side by side, I can do also and can, continue and can also take care of my baby. And then I started as a wedding planner, this wedding planning thing, because I myself is very creative and innovative kind of person. I always, I love singing, I love painting, I love dancing. So as a passion in painting and in this kind of thing. So वहाँ से कहीं से I think I just started कि I didn't done any courses or something like that in wedding planning, but I started कि okay, just give it a try. Hope I can make it something. So then I started the journey. It like been 5 years. I'm working as a wedding planner and event planner. And धीरे धीरे बहुत सारी चीजें ऐड होते गए. जैसे I am a marketing head of Kolkata of Vamsdhara. So I'm working with them also. Apart from that, as Tanvi said that I'm working with IBSW, one member of WICCI and all. So ये सब धीरे धीरे ऐड होते गए and I just taken the opportunity because I believe that opportunity when it comes you should utilize it if you can do it. Uh, it is a pleasure, to get associated with different kind of good profiles with good companies. You come to know many inspiring people, and step by step we get inspired from them, right? In every journey, every step. So वो कहीं ना कहीं आई click कर गया वो मेरे लिए. So I just added, and recently also I added with the member of Taekwondo, Roy's Taekwondo Academy. So ये सारी चीजें I'm doing, and
Wow.
above all, I'm a proud mother of a 5 years old daughter. That's the thing.
Wow, wonderful. Yes, Richa.
I have been hearing her, and ऐसा कुछ है जो आपने छोड़ा है, because it seems कि
I
आपने
know.
हर एक जॉनर में हर एक चीज करी है, and still you are a diva, it seems, because आप जैसे आपने ये भी बताया, you have a crown. I mean, you're
Yeah.
wearing a crown. So being
Yes.
a planner, wedding planner, to being a ambassador, like you have won a crown. आप
Yeah.
उसके बारे में बताएं. How was your
Yeah,
journey?
sure.
Crown
Yeah,
holding?
sure. Sure. That is very recently, you can say. As of I'm working for the Vangsthara magazine as a marketing head. So I joined, there as a guest of honor in Indie Royals. There is a beauty pageant fashion show was going on, and I took my daughter with me. So वो भी मेरे साथ गई है, and we just enjoyed that time and all. That time when the ladies over there, they are wearing gowns, beautiful gowns, and they are walking and like ramp walk and all. So my daughter just suddenly said, "Why not you were there?" So that thing click on mine, and that time think, okay, fine, I will give it this also a try. So then I started. I just joined in a beauty pageant. Where I got the. She also participated in that kids category, and I'm in the Mrs. category. So we enjoyed a lot in that, and then it's just that it's just surprising for me also that I got this title, Mrs. Goodness Ambassador one. So that वो एक first journey मेरा था, and then I started again. मुझे मतलब होता नहीं है कि whenever जब तक आप पानी में जब तक आप पानी में नहीं जाते हो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा how much you are capable of that thing and all, no. So कितना गहरा होता है वो चीज. So वो कहीं मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that thing, that वहां से grooming sessions and all, हम लोग बहुत कुछ I just completely feel that I changed a lot, I learned a lot from that. Then I again participated in another beauty pageant organized by Suru Entertainment, and there also I just won another title, the Mrs. Glam Queen Fitness. So this journey is now I maybe I continue like this,
And
doing
your
all apart from the
Fine.
professional.
I think your journey has just started.
Yeah.
Now, after this show, you'll be tagged as a celebrity, because
Yeah.
this will a certification from the media house by the name of Fashion Lifestyle Magazine that you are now being titled as celebrity.
Thank you so much. Thank you for you lovely people, and thank you for Lifestyle on the magazine also for this lovely honor. Thank you.
Well, Richa, because Satabdi in her introduction spoke about poetry. So I think it'll be very unfair to our readers and to the magazine if we do not get a glimpse of Satabdi's poetry. So, Satabdi, what
Absolutely.
kind of poetry you are into, and can we have a taste of that poetry as well?
Yeah, poetry, like it comes like that. It suddenly, my poetries belong to, on realistic things. It actually on that we feel we can't. We all know that, but कहीं अंदर से वो निकल के नहीं आता है, हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो वो चीजें I try to put in that my poetries. So that's the thing, and okay, glimpse like. My first starting that I started with this poetry, and then the journey is going on. So that is my first poet. um, ये दुनिया क्या अजब है, किसी को सुख किसी को दुख ये देता है, जीवन के साथ सुर मिलके बने सरगम, मिलके रहेंगे हम अगर तो क्या करेगा गम, कोई बड़ा या छोटा हो इंसान ही तो है, कोई हिंदू या मुस्लिम हो इस धरती के संतान है, कोई किसी से प्यार करता है कोई किसी से नफरत करता है, कोई हंसता है हंसाता है कोई रोता है रुलाता है, ये दुनिया क्या अजब है, किसी को सुख किसी को दुख दे देती. Thank you.
बहुत खूब. That's very well written. A very, very secular and a very inspiring poetry. Richa, what do you have to say?
Absolutely, Sharad. And even when she was, saying those words, इनकी आवाज भी कितनी मधुर है. I mean, she has got a
The
beautiful voice.
the voice is breaking, I think. Hello?
Am I audible
No,
now?
we can hear you.
It's echoing, I think. Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes, Richa, carry on. Yeah, you are audible, Richa, carry on.
So I'm saying, Satabdi, that you have got beautiful voice too. Of course, आपकी poem तो है ही खूबसूरत, but आपकी आवाज भी बहुत बहुत अच्छी है. आपने कभी
Thank
गाने
you.
यही जॉनर बचा है, बाकी तो आप सब करते हैं.
Thank you so much. I always love to do, motivate people through this awards or थोड़ा सा भी अगर people motivate होते हैं, because now situation is very bad. So जितना हो सके we can motivate each other. We can, be united and all. So I think it will be mentally and physically give us that strength to fight against that virus and all, right?
Satabdi, I also was thinking that you are into event and wedding planning, right? Like I'm sure this pandemic, of course, nobody's talking about the business as of now because it has gone to a very, very different situation this time. But talking about being from the wedding planning industry, how has it impacted your business?
Yeah, it's already not only wedding planning, it's already affected in every sector. Every sector it's affected. In event sector, in other corporate sectors, every sector is affected. But the thing is that we can't stop here. We can't stop here. As the virus is going on, we also have to go on with our alternative strategies, we alternative plans or something like that. So we have to make us that kind of, so that we can't stop here. We have to go on. So we have to make that kind of plans and events or something through online, or through maximum things are going on through online only. So we can organize that kind of things online, so that some sessions, some I don't know about wedding is not possible through online, right? But it's fine. When again the things will come up a bit low, कभी तो कम होगा, then again we will do it. अगर फिर से हम लोग बढ़ते हैं तो फिर अगर लॉकडाउन करके घर पे बैठना पड़ेगा, then again we will do it. But हम लोगों को we can't stop here. We have to go on through online, through some creative ideas, through some innovative ideas, which attract people, which will motivate people, which from where people can learn more and more. And it's through online, obviously people get more connected, right? So that's the
तो
thing I think.
शादी करवाने का आप अभी तक आपने प्लानिंग नहीं करी किसी की?
Abhi to, as if I am in, I am into many fields. Yeah, there are weddings and all going on, but बहुत कम हो रहा है अभी, because it's very अभी situation इतना खराब है कि अभी wedding पे जाना, wedding करवाना, it's a very risky thing. So अभी इसके लिए हम लोग थोड़ा अभी देख ले how situation is going on. As per that, we will go on.
Well, you're getting a lot of messages, Satabdi. There's messages coming from a lot of people. They are praising you. They are calling you as very inspiring. See, we have one on the screen, Rashmeet Kaur saying motivational. We had Juliet Khan.
Thank
We
you
had Tika
so much.
Bakshi. We had Ritu. There's so many people who are commenting on your and getting inspired by your story. I heard, Satabdi, somebody doing an online wedding also, where the bride and the groom were sitting at distant places, and their families also sitting at their respective places.
Yeah.
They even did a varmala. I found a varmala being done by holding some stick. They didn't want to come close to each other. That was a bit funny. But
Yeah, yeah.
where the question comes in. You have a never give up approach. You said we are in
Yeah.
lockdown right now. The events are not happening, weddings are not happening. We'll come back, we'll spring back. Then there's another lockdown, we will again do that. There's another lockdown, we'll again come back. But
Yeah, obviously.
not everyone, Satabdi, has this never give up approach. Most of the people, I would say, they run out of patience, they run out of endurance, and they say enough is enough. We can't bear this anymore. So what is the message you would like to give to those people? I mean, if we simply say, just hold on, have patience, we will come out one day, everything will be fine. But somehow, I mean, I keep talking to people
Yeah.
who are not able to, if I say it in Hindi, उनसे अब बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जा रहा. They said बहुत
Yes.
हो गया
Yes.
अब, अब
Yes.
तो ये, it is affecting mind also, it is affecting your business also, and it is affecting your overall personality as well. So उन लोगों के लिए, Satabdi, being a multitasker and being such an inspiring person, what message and how should those people handle themselves?
Yeah, actually, see, हम लोग whatever we say, it's just a consolation. Like हम लोग तसल्ली दे सकते हैं, तो तसल्ली देना यहाँ पे काम नहीं करेगा. So it will be, we have to, हम लोगों को समझना है कि हम लोग what is, हम लोग negative we want to take the negative thing or we want to take the positive thing. So खुद को नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव क्या लेना है वो खुद को डिसाइड करना है, क्योंकि चारों तरफ जो चल रहा है अगर वो सोच के हम लोग बैठ जाएंगे, that not be good for yourself, not for others. You think about yourself. When you think about yourself, then only you can think about others, right? So हम लोगों को वो सोचना पड़ेगा कि हम लोग अभी ये नहीं कर पा रहे, then we can't do this thing, then what the thing we can do? Just sit, think about it. You will get the solution. That, because it differs, person to person it differs. Some people are very good in marketing, some people are very good in sales, some people are very good in event planning. So the different person, different prospects, different their ideas, people are every people are very talented. You just have to bring that talent out of that. तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आप कहाँ पे you are good or you are bad. You have to bring that ideas, new unique ideas, which you can, ये जो market है, this market, how you can grab this market, as the situation is very bad. But some market are very good going on, like food is going on very good. For example, medicines market is going on very good, right? Even insurance market is also booming. So it's just an example I'm giving. So you have to find out कि this market, which strategy, which plan करने से हम लोगों का अभी we can start again. It's never ending. We have to start, and that people will not give you the ideas. You have to bring that, make that ideas. So start the things again.
Very well said,
That's the thing.
Satabdi. Over to you, Richa.
So also Satabdi, you talked about positivity. आप खुद को positive रखने के लिए क्या करते हैं? Because like we say, have to be positive. Everybody tries to be positive, but they are not able to, maybe because the negative things overpowers the positivity, and that's what happens to everybody. But when we talk about a role model like you, who's into multiple things, how do you keep yourself positive?
I keep myself positive, like I would say, obviously चारों तरफ इतने negatives चल रहे हैं तो दिमाग में थोड़ा बहुत तो negative it comes. But that time when I just think about कि मुझे बैठने से नहीं चलेगा, I have to motivate, like for example, I'm going back, my mom, my dad. So when that time they have sacrificed a lot for their family, for their sisters, brothers, because they are joint families, middle class family जो होता है, and then they have sacrificed their dreams, many जो अच्छा लगता था वो भी वो लोग नहीं कर पाए, वो करना चाहते थे. So like that, ऐसे ही तो मैं चाहती हूँ यहाँ पे खड़ी होके कि वो जगह मेरे को नहीं जाना पड़े, मुझे नहीं जाना पड़े वो जगह पे, कि जहाँ पे मैं अभी बैठ के अफसोस करूँ that why I haven't done something that time. So that's why I'm वो सोच के then again I get back to my that place, and then कि okay fine, वो जो भी हो रहा है that keep on that aside and think again कि क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें, that you can again grow, again do something. Maybe I have to change my sector. I will change my sector. That not be an issue, because learning is every sector you have to learn. Every sector you have to learn, and you keep on learning, and experiences make you the better person. Our criticism is the best thing. जो at the time मैं सोचती थी criticism, लोग इतने बोल रहे हैं, इतने कुछ बोल रहे हैं, that I think मुझे छोड़ देना चाहिए. ये चीजें आ जाते हैं. But right now I would say criticism is the best thing, which आपको पता चलेगा that you are very capable to grow, to grab that success. That's why people are criticizing you. So that's I just keep motivating myself, and always I try to motivate my surrounded people also, to say that criticism, struggle, mistakes makes you the better person.
Okay, since Richa, since Satabdi has spoken about criticism and taking criticism in a constructive way, and since she's based out of Kolkata, let me ask you a a slightly tricky political question. You've just finished elections in West Bengal. So,
Yeah.
I mean, what is your take on the elections? You're happy with the results? You are where do you see West Bengal, and how do you see the present elections which just concluded?
I am not very much into, politics or election or something like that. But so I would not go on that, or no comments on that. But yeah, I would,
Okay.
for West Bengal part, I would say that if people, like I'm thinking like that, if two or three people are changing like that, their mentality, their things, and they take their responsibility, not like, it's their, political people responsibility always to change the things. It's our responsibility, individual responsibility, to do the things, change the, mentality, change the things around you. Then only एक एक करके ही वो चीजें हो सकता है. And for that you have to be united.
Very well said. That was a very politically correct answer, I would say. And obviously, we weren't expecting, a political bias from you, that whether you voted for Mamata Banerjee or you voted for BJP. We were not
Yeah.
expecting that from you anyway. But that was very, very well phrased, I would say, Richa, isn't it? I mean, she is politically correct also.
She is, and shayad maybe that's the reason she's able to cope up with so many things together at one time. So Tapti, अब आपने सब कुछ कर लिया, पोएट्री भी कर ली, you are also, you have a crown, you are into event planning, wedding planning, and I'm sure into multiple other things जो अभी आपने बताई भी नहीं होगी शायद. लेकिन what new hobbies have you developed during this pandemic? Because I've seen a lot of people putting it on social media while talking on the positive front only, that somebody started doing something else, somebody is willing to take another hobby from maybe something new. So what about you? What new hobby have you developed during this lockdown?
First hobby, I would say that I get habituated that my daughter, I get much more time to spend with her. So that is the first hobby that I love, spending the time. I'm getting that time which I usually don't get time because of these things. I have to go out, do meetings and all that things. But in pandemic, I just locked at home and giving the whole time. I love to give her the whole time. And second of all, obviously, motivational speaking. Motivational speaker. I never thought of myself as a motivational speaker, but I got so many good responses and all that. So I just started, motivation speaking to support them, guide them to, many people get in this pandemic get, negative and all. So they are getting very low. So I'm just started my live sessions or something like, so sometimes come in Facebook live and all. So I try to that just connect with the people, so that people get connected with me, and if they want to share anything with me, so I just doing that. And apart from that, I have learned many things, cooking and all. I have learned many making things, new things, new recipes, because we can't buy from, right now from hotel and all. So I just started making new things that I never thought of that I can make. So that's the thing.
जाते जाते Richa, Shatabdi, I remember when I was when Shatabdi was introducing herself, कहीं मुझे गलती नहीं लग रही है, मुझे कहीं सिंगिंग सुनाई दिया था. तो हम जाते जाते we would let us on behalf of all the followers, readers, let us request Shatabdi to probably give us a feel of her singing. So Shatabdi, let me repeat, I think you lost connection. So I think our followers, readers and viewers, they heard that you are into singing also, and people who come from Bengal, I mean, singing comes so naturally to them. But you've been singing as well. So I think जाते जाते एक feel आप अपनी singing skill का अगर दें, I think it'll just be a icing on the cake.
It's long time. You're just requesting me. It's long back. I'm just I'm singing.
Doesn't
So
matter.
okay.
Once a singer, always a singer. So
Okay. अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये शाम जब भी आएगी तुम हमको याद आओगे, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम. Thank you. I forgot the line
Wonderful,
also.
wonderful. I think Richa, ये दास्तां शताब्दी की सेलिब्रिटी बनने की तो खत्म नहीं होने वाली है पक्का. She is going to go a long way, and absolutely melodious voice. I would say you have Debashish. Thank you, Debashish. She indeed has a lovely voice, and we
Thank
always
you.
thought so, not because Shatabdi introduced herself about her singing talent, but also because we knew coming from Bengal, sometimes this talent is inbuilt to most of the people from West Bengal. So lovely, lovely. That was wonderful. Over to you, Richa, for wrapping up the show.
So Shatabdi, like we said, you are a multi-dimensional personality, and as a fashion lifestyle magazine media house, we would love to have you for a long-term association because we are expanding the regional partners from different cities and states. And who knows, next time you are, conducting this chat show for us for Fashion Lifestyle magazine instead of Sharad and me. So
Thank you. Thank you so much.
be known for something as global as this media house, which is Fashion Lifestyle magazine. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
being here today, and we have a lot of comments pouring in from different people. Please do log into Fashion Lifestyle magazine Facebook page and reply to our viewers who have been watching you from different parts of India. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this show. Till we meet next with another celebrity for Fashion Lifestyle magazine.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
All the best. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely talking
Thank
to
you
you.
so
Thank you
much.
so much.